A journey refers to the process of traveling from one place to another. It can also describe a long and significant experience, often involving personal growth, challenges, or changes over time. Journey equals a trip or travel from one place to another, or a significant life experience. Journey noun, travel. The act of traveling from one place to another, typically over a long distance. Example, they took a long journey across the country. Journey noun, personal growth. A metaphor for a significant life experience, usually involving change or growth. Example, her journey to self-discovery was filled with challenges but worth it. Journey verb, to travel or go from one place to another. Example, they journeyed through the mountains to reach the village. The journey to the mountains took several days, but the view was worth it. He shared the story of his journey through life, overcoming many obstacles. Their journey to success was filled with hard work and perseverance. The journey by train was comfortable, and the landscape was beautiful. After a long journey, they finally arrived at their destination. A journey can refer to both literal travel and a metaphorical experience. It's often used to describe a trip, but it's also frequently used to talk about significant personal or emotional experiences that involve growth, challenges, or change.